Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset your CSP setting to default on Assetto Corsa. So basically to do this, the first thing that you want to do is to just open up your local app data. To do that, press on your search menu. You then want to type run, which is going to be run, and then type the following, which is going to be local app data. Or to make things a lot easier, you could just type app data without any spaces. From here, navigate through local, and then you have the AC Tools Content Manager. I suggest just renaming this, so in that way you will be able to go back to your old config if you want to. So in here, I'll just name it backup, and basically renaming this onto any other name out there will basically override the old config. So what will happen is that after opening up Content Manager once again, it will create a new folder right here, basically without any modification whatsoever. It's the default one, and from there you're good to go. And if you want to navigate back to your old config, you could just delete the old one, or you could just once again rename it and then just go ahead and remove the backup right here. Or if you want to, you could just delete this, open up your Content Manager, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.